contingent comprising of 2nd, 5th, 6th, and 7th Manipur Rifles and commanded by Jamandar L. Vijendra Singh of 2nd Manipur Rifles. The next contingent is the Combined Indian Reserve Battalion Male Contingent Number 1 comprising of 1st, 2nd and 3rd Indian Reserve Battalion commanded by Jamandar E. Lemthang of 1st Indian Reserve Battalion. The next contingent is the Combined Indian Reserve Male Battalion Contingent Number 2 comprising of 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th Indian Reserve Battalion commanded by Jamandar Singh of 4th Indian Reserve Battalion. The 4th contingent is Civil Police Imphal West Male Contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector Y. Lakesh Singh of Imphal West. The 5th contingent is Civil Police Imphal East Male Contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector S. Gorbachev Singh of Imphal East. The next contingent is Civil Police Bishnupur Male Contingent commanded by Sub-Inspector O. Jotin Singh of Bishnupur. The 7th contingent approaching towards the saluting phase is Combined Civil Police Male Contingent comprising Taubal and Kaching districts commanded by Assistant Sub-Inspector Mohammed Hassan of Kaching district. The 8th contingent is Combined Civil Police Male Contingent Hill District Number 1 comprising Churachandpur, Fersoal, Chandel and Tengnopur District commanded by Sub-Inspector S. Lialian of Churachandpur District.
The 9th contingent approaching the saluting base is Combined Civil Police Male Contingent Hill District Number 2 comprising of Tamenglong, Jiribam, Nome, Kampupi and Senapati districts commanded by Sub-Inspector P.M. Murtaja Khan of Senapati. The 10th contingent is Combined Commando Contingent comprising of Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Thobal Commando teams commanded by Sub-Inspector Kumukjam Priyojit Singh of Imphal West Commando. The 11th contingent is 9 India Reserve Mahila Battalion Contingent commanded by Women Sub-Inspector M. Priyadarshini Devi. The 12th contingent is Combined Civil Police Female Contingent comprising of Civil Police Imphal East and Imphal West commanded by Women Sub-Inspector Pravita K.H. of Imphal East. The 13th contingent is Home Guard Male Contingent commanded by Senior Platoon Commander Bajaspati Mayu Yaima Sarma. The next contingent is combined PDF male contingent comprising of Imphal East, Imphal West, Bishnupur and Bhopal PDF, commanded by Sub-Inspector Joy Kumar Singh. The last contingent is Traffic Police Women Contingent commanded by Women Sub-Inspector Irom Ronika Devi. Combined Band Platoon comprises of 1st Manipur Rifles Band commanded by Havildar Laisram Brojan Singh, 2nd Manipur Rifles Band commanded by Havildar Gamuzam Shyambabu Singh, 1st IRB Band commanded by Havildar Lehau Thabang Surjit Sharma, MPTC Band commanded by Havildar Irom Santosh Singh, 9th IRB